Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create an exploded view in Solidworks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel. So here I have an RC helicopter model assembled in the assembly environment by creating various sub-assemblies as shown in the model tree. At first, let me switch this view. To activate the exploded view, go to the Assembly tab and then from here select the exploded view. And first I'm going to select this subassembly called the front panel and let me move it here. And also here I have a distance option, and here I have an option to enter some distance value. For example, let me enter 90. And then once you complete, then click on done. By the same way, I'm going to create another second step. For that, I'm going to select this subassembly one and let me switch this here and then click on done. And then select the body part, and I'm going to move this by using this direction key here. And then click on done, and then I'm going to select this subassembly path, and then with this up direction key I'm going to switch it to the top. And here I have an angle option to rotate the subassembly. For example, if I just rotate it to an angle of 60 degree and then click on done. And then I'm going to select another subassembly and I'm going to drag this towards the bottom side. And now it's look fine and I'm going to give check mark to it. And now I'm going to select this path and right click on it and select collapse to collapse my subassemblies. And again I'm going to select this explode to create an exploded view. You can also animate your explode by selecting the animate explode option. And now you see that my exploded view is created based on the steps which I have defined. And also you see that at this top subassembly it is also rotating at an angle of 60 degree as defined in the exploded view command box. You can also use the slow tool to slow up the animation process or use the fast tool to speed up the animation process. And now the question arises how to explode the subassembly path. For that, I'm going to select any subassembly and right click on it and I'm going to open that subassembly path. And this is the subassembly, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an exploded view in this subassembly. So go to the assembly tab and select exploded view, and here I'm going to explode all the parts. First I'm going to select this one and move to top, and then select this tail shaft and then select the tail shaft and move it towards the left, and then select this back rod and move it towards the bottom, and select this motor and move it towards the right, and select this back wing and move towards the top, and then the fin mount and select down towards the bottom, and I'm going to select finally this and move towards the right and give a check mark to it. And now I have successfully created the exploded view in my subassembly path, and I'm going to close this one. First of all, I'm going to save this and then I'm going to close this one. Select yes. And now if I create an exploded view of this subassembly, I'm going to select this subassembly and move towards the left, and then if I go towards the bottom, I have an option called reuse subassembly explode. I'm going to select this one. Now it asks me to select this, so let me select this explode step 1. Select this reuse subassembly explode, and now you see that both my subassembly and the parts in the subassembly are exploded. So this is how you use the exploded view in Solidworks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. For more information, check out the link in the description box below.